Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For today's topic, we're going to be talking about the UpTop Alpha EX Rack. We installed this on our 2017 Toyota Tundra. We were going to do an install video, but it got too dark, so for now, we're just going to go over and walk through the steps while it's already been installed and go over everything that you need to know for you to install this successfully. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's talk about what you're going to be receiving in your package. For your package, you're going to get 2 of this armor plates, which is this outer one. Then you're going to get 2 of your groovetech plates, which is the inner plates that's going to be attached to your low bars. You're going to have a total of 6 low bars all the way across the top, and you're going to have 4 legs that you're going to attach to your existing bed rack, or you could attach it to your camper. So that's what you're going to get in the box, and of course all the hardware is going to be included, so we'll go over that. So the first step when you're installing this is you want to assemble the first low bar and the last low bar. Now when you assemble these first and last low bars, I don't know if you can kind of see it in here, but it's different screw size for the first and the last one. They're going to be hidden, but you want to go ahead and put those first 2 on so your rack can be squared first, right? So once you install that, so it's 2 screws on each end, the first and the last low bar, and then once you install that, you're going to go ahead and assemble the rest of the low bars, and the rest of the low bars have different screws. And again, UpTop is really good with labeling all the hardwares and where it's supposed to go, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. But that's how it looks like with all the low bars on. Okay, so now that you have this assembled, that's pretty much 80% of everything, right? Once you get that assembled, you can go ahead and attach your legs. So the leg position, you're gonna have some T-slots that you're gonna slide in here, 2 on each side, right there and right here. So you're gonna attach those, and then you're gonna slide 2 more T-slots on this new rail, or the bed rack rails. So that's what you're gonna do, and you don't want to really tighten it up because you want to space it out evenly. So you would definitely want to do some measurements to make sure both sides are even. So that's how those positions are. And you're attaching these legs on the second low bar, okay? And this second low bar goes down to the first bed rack, as you can see. And then the other 2 legs in the back is going to be on the very last low bar, okay? And that's going to be on the last bed rack rail. So you have those 2 installed. And again, you just want to square it off, make sure that it's perfectly squared before you tighten down anything. And also, as a reminder, you also want to use Loctite for all your screws, in case you have vibrations or so. You don't want the screws to go loose. Okay, so that once that's installed on the rack, the very last step is to install the ArmorTech plates to your groovetech plates. And these also are going to be bigger hardwares all the way across. And also with this, if you can kind of see down the middle of this, there's spacers that you're going to include. So you put the spacer in between those holes right there. And once you're mounting that, as you're mounting that, you're also going to put the grab handles together too. Now, as far as for assembling the grab handles, I'm going to put a link below from UpTop that has a really good video of how to assemble the grab handles. So I'll do that for you there. And that's how it would look. And once that's all done, you're all complete and set. The other thing that I really wanted to point out about this EX rack is that it has cutouts, 4 cutouts, 2 on each side, for seed pods. So you can install seed pods later on if you wanted to. So that's really it for the install. It's pretty simple. We did this at night and it took us about an hour and a half, probably an hour if it was daylight. So it's really simple. But if you have any questions about this install, put your comments and questions below and we'll get back to you on that. And that's pretty much it, guys.